Hi, welcome to the lesson on infrastructure planning. Here, you will learn how many email accounts and domains you need. You can approach this in two different ways. One, defining how many leads you would like to have each month. This approach requires you to have some data already. Things like reply rate and your positive reply rate are needed. I'll show you shortly in the planner where to find this section. For this lesson, though, I assume you're just starting. We want to get you your first leads ASAP without prior email benchmarks. Hence, we'll go with the approach number 2. Here, we estimate your infrastructure needs by the numbers of emails sent. A reasonable safe target to get one lead, so one positive reply, is 700 emails. In a two-step sequence, that means 350 prospects. This translates to about 0.3% reply rate per email sent. Now, because we are just starting, I planned your campaign with 500 prospects. This should give you a good chance for at least one, if not two leads per campaign. In Chapter 3, I'll guide you towards getting ready to launch 4 campaigns. So, in the end, we need 2,000 prospects. We will run 2-step campaigns. And we end up with 4,000 emails that need to be sent. Now, let's head over to the planner and plug in those numbers. Okay, first I mentioned you can plan your infrastructure based on leads. If you're more experienced, you can use this view to do so. For this lesson, we'll go with the email sent in time frame approach. First, let's enter 4,000 emails to be sent as our goal. For the time frame, we can pick up 31 days. This will be about 2 months, as we assume a month having 21 workdays. The remaining days are reserved for warm-up. If you do a longer warm-up, as I recommended, you could enter 42 days. Do 3 to 4 weeks of warm-up and then do 2 full months for the cold outreach. The next metric is how many emails one mailbox sends per day. Here, the upper limit I recommend is 25. You will be running 25 warm-up emails and 25 cold ones, which is a good ratio. If you wish, you can go lower here, but we'll need more emails and domains. Then we pick up 3 emails per domain. Now you should see 6 email accounts and 2 domains. A nice, budget-friendly starter setup. If you choose different values, you may see different numbers here. Lastly, I would encourage you to add some backups. In my case, I did 30%, which translates to 2 email accounts and 1 domain. In the planner, you can see there is one last setting, scaling. We will cover that in the next lesson. Now, if you followed my advice to the T, you see the following. Total email accounts is 8. Total domain, 3. Now, before you head over and buy your infrastructure, listen to my next lesson. I'll cover the scaling part in more detail. You'll get to learn how experienced agencies handle backups and scaling. See you in the next lesson.